muskie. That's a muskie. What's going on, everybody? I'm super excited right now. This is the first time I've yaked the Licking River below Cave Run all year. I looked at the gauge and surprisingly it's been down all week and I didn't even know about it. And the water, there's the water. Looks amazing. I'm gonna be bass fishing today. I brought some crappie minnows too though, so hopefully I can get in some crappie. Be fishing a lot of Texas rig today and jigs, especially around places like this. Let me get my net ready. Oh man, I hope I catch a nice large or smallmouth today. Hopping it over these logs in the still water. Ooh, just got hit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He just chomped that line in two. That had to be a muskie or a walleye. Wow. Put a football head jig on and a KVD caffeine shad trailer. Too much water flow, couldn't get it down. That'll get it down though. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice. I was trying to drift back so I could get out of your way there. Okay. Nice. There you go. I knew there'd be a bass over there. That right there is what I got the first fish on. I knew there'd be a bass over in there. It's getting hot out here. So I don't think all these fish are going to be deep. I think I'm going to rip a spinnerbait over this brush. All these down trees and stuff. I think I'll do pretty good. So I'm going to use this War Eagle. I'll put a trailer hook on it too. That's what I got. It's a War Eagle. I think that's a 3/8 ounce double willow blade with a trailer hook. I think that's going to do pretty good here. Got 14 pounds Sunline regular fluorocarbon on it. You watch, muskie's gonna hit this. Oh God, that's a muskie. That's a muskie. That was a muskie, about a 32, 33 inch muskie that just hit that. I instinctively started figure eighting, but I don't know what I would have done with it. There's a freaking muskie right there. Oh gosh. Gotta keep him down. Oh, gotta keep him down. Oh, please don't cut my line. Oh boy. Please don't cut my line. Please don't cut my line, baby. This thing ready. Every time I go bass fishing, I get a muskie. Oh, there it is. I'm shaking right now. Oh man. I seem to remember a particular video bass fishing where I caught a muskie a few months ago. I'm not gonna hold him out of the water and talk, so flip him around here. Oh, and there he goes. There you go. Come on, it's gotta be a big old largemouth over there. Oh, there was one. Golly, please don't jump off. Oh, go to the net. Are you kidding me? It was in the rim of the net. Oh no, that sucks. Oh my gosh. Man, I guess I just didn't set the hook good enough, because that hook's razor sharp. I just checked it again. Alright, so I'm gonna try a little crappie fishing on the ultralight here. Gotta be a crappie in here somewhere. Ooh. There's a crappie. Called that one, didn't I? Ooh, golly. There's a whole school of crappie right here, I bet you. I wonder if there be any hoss cats in here. Hoss Cat City. There was a bite. Oh! Okay, well, I'm going back to bass fishing for a little bit. Oh God, I got another muskie. Where's he going? Oh God. Golly. This one's a little bit bigger. No, don't. This one's bigger. I think I got it. Multiple muskie day right there. So I'm just holding her in the water right now. I've been with her about 10 minutes now.
Still flashing. Come back on.
Oh yeah? There she goes. She's trying to come to right now. Oh man, there she goes. Nice. I've been sitting here for 25 minutes with her. She finally swam on her own just now. There she goes. There she goes. Swam off. I spent about 25 minutes with that fish reviving her. And she just swam off. That is the second muskie I've caught today bass fishing. And my GoPro Hero 7 died right in the middle of the fight. So I could realize, I could see that she was having a hard time. And I tried to get her in, but on bass gear, it's so hard. And that was about a 40-inch muskie. She's gonna be a monster come fall, because it's midsummer. She had some girth on her. There's another muskie. I'm gonna go on up, see if I can't catch a bass or two. I've caught 2 muskie. Hey Derek, just had another muskie. Oh man. You mind being on video, bro?
I don't care, bro. Show me guns.
He didn't get you when it flopped, did he? No. He's got up in his gills, man. They got like razors. Yeah. That's what gets people a lot. Congrats, man.
Wait.
Heck yeah.
Damn trip after
That don't happen a lot when people get taking muskie fishing, man. That's crazy. That's my cue to leave, man. I think I'm doing all right. I'm done. Well, boys, I'm gonna get on upstream.
All right, bud. Be careful. Good seeing you.
You too, man. Let me know how you did. What a day of fishing, guys. My Jeep smells like musky slime and water. I'm okay with that. I'm burnt, I'm tired, but really good day of fishing. Caught 2 muskie, hooked another one, and if that was a muskie that bit my Texas rig bait off at the beginning of the day, then that's 2 muskie encounters. Derek and his buddy caught a muskie within an hour of being down here, and Derek raised another one. He said he raised a big one, so muskie were moving today. But I'm on my way home, so I can go ahead and start editing this in another video and get it out to you all. But learned so much about, you know, pedal yakking and water with current, because there was definitely some current to contend with today in the river, and I'd never taken that yak out on the river. So it's actually the first time this year I have yacked this river, if that says anything to the flooding that we've had. But oh man, great day of fishing. I'm glad I brought, you know, crappie minnows, got in some crappie, brought bass gear, got in some bass, and then turned around, got into muskie. Definitely just, I'm rambling. It was a good day of fishing. Thanks for watching, y'all.